Dr. Castilla, and let me be the first one to congratulate you on getting started with your smile journey. Today, I have recruited Dr. Eddie to walk you through the contents of our start bag and also to show you how to take care of your teeth with braces.
So these are the items that you will receive with your start bag. You will receive a toothbrush, you will receive sample toothpaste, you will also receive an interproximal brush, which is very useful for brushing around the brackets and under the wires. You will also receive some floss and floss threaders. You'll use the floss threaders to help you get under the wire to floss your teeth. And then you'll also get some lip balm and some wax. The wax you will use to help cover any areas that are poking you and causing discomfort. And also a pamphlet that shows you how to brush and floss and also talks about foods to avoid.
So now that you know what everything in your start bag is, let's review some key things that will help you with taking care of your teeth and your braces.
Now we're going to review brushing and flossing while you're wearing braces. So with your braces, you have to remember that you have to brush really good all the way around the brackets. So with your toothbrush, you will angle the bristles at 45 degrees on top of the braces and also on the bottom of the braces, making sure that you are cleaning the area between the gums and the brackets really well. You also will want to make sure you're cleaning the chewing surfaces of the teeth as well as the inside surfaces of the teeth. To help, you can use an interproximal brush to get any particles that are left behind in between the brackets. The interproximal brush is good as well if you missed a spot on the bottom of the bracket. For flossing, you can use a floss threader to help you get the floss under the wire in between your teeth. You simply take the floss through the plastic needle and into the mouth and through the brackets, under the wire, and then you pull on one end, or you hold one end down, and then you floss in between, just like that. And then all the way between all your teeth. Now we also give you some wax that you can use whenever you have something poking your cheek. To use it, you want to make sure that the teeth are really dry. And you take a little bit of wax. You don't want to manipulate it very much. You just simply take it, stick it to the bracket, just like so. And that will help make the area feel better. And then you can also use some warm salt water rinses to help your cheeks recover from the pokey wire.
We hope this video was helpful in getting you started with your braces. As always, if you have any additional questions, you can give us a call or text us at 503-399-0721. Bye.